Alright friends, what I want to talk to you today about is the oval Balboa topsides and overlays. When I say topside, that is this part, the part that is actually the electronic part. And when I say overlay, that is the sticker that goes on that part. You see, it just literally sticks over that. So you can find many different configurations. This particular one is jets, light, cool, warm. You'll see this with jet, light, temp, or jet, temp, light. There'd be all kinds of different configurations, or jet aux, or jet blower, cool, warm. There's all kinds of configurations. But what I wanted to point out is there's three sizes: small, medium, large. This is called a VL200. This one is called a VL or MVP 240. This one is called a VL or MVP 260. This one, the large one, measures about 6 and 5/8, between 6 and 5/8 and 6 3/4 across. The medium measures about 5 and 1/16 across, and the small measures about 4 1/4 across, roughly. The other thing that you need to know is you may have a Balboa, but it may say Garden Leisure or Nordic or any other brand on it. That is an example of this overlay in a Garden Leisure variety. So what you're looking for when you're trying to find your topside or your overlay, first you determine if you have a 200, 240, or 260. Then you start looking for the button configuration. You can see this one's jets, lights, down, up. And as I mentioned, you may have one that says jets, light, temp, or jets, temp, light. So what you're trying to do is line it up with your original configuration. And the only other consideration would be, and I don't think you're really going to run into it with this, but you want to look at the cable. You see that is a 8-pin Cat5, which is standard on most of these. And you may run into a version where it has a Molex plug, but I think all of these ovals are Cat5 at this point. And this would be an example of a VL240. And the way you would do this is when you buy it, you would take your old one out, you would peel this label, stick it through, make sure you stick it the right direction up, take this little blue cover off, and then stick that label on, line it up. Very easy to do. And the other thing is if you're having an issue with your top side where the sticker, the overlay, is damaged, you could peel this off, clean it up, and replace the overlay. So you would do that the same way, looking for a 200, 240, or 260. And come to our website and check it out. We have all of these items on the website. Buy today. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. I'm the spa guy.